Short Questions, Chapter 14, 1. Describe the charge in magnetic field inside a solenoid carrying a steady current, if A. The length of solenoid is doubled but the number of turns remains same. B. The numbers of turns is doubled but the length remains same. 2. What are the uses of CRO? 3. What is Lorentz force and how can it be formulated? 4. Is it possible for two magnetic lines of force to intersect? 5. What is solenoid? 6. What is stable or deadbeat galvanometer? 7. How can a current loop be used to determine the presence of magnetic field in a given region of space? 8. Why the voltmeter should have a very high resistance? 9. Suppose that the charge Q is moving in a uniform magnetic field with a velocity v. Why is there no work done by magnetic force that acts on charge Q? 10. A plane conducting loop is located in a uniform magnetic field x-axis. For what orientation of the loop is the flux maximum? For what orientation is the flux minimum? 11. Is it possible to orient a current loop in a uniform magnetic field such that loop experiences no torque? Explain. 12. Why does the picture on a TV screen become distorted when a magnet is brought near the screen? 13. Why the resistance of an ammeter should be low? 14. Define magnetic flux and flux density. Give their units. 15. What is meant by the term meter movement? 16. Why B is non-zero outside a solenoid? 17. Name main parts of C.R.O. 18. What is C.R.O. and galvanometer? 19. What is the function of grid in CRO? 20. How can you use a magnetic field to separate isotopes of chemical element? 21. How can you explain the waveform of various voltages formed in CRO?